Are you planning your next adventure in 2024? Then you're in the right place. Embarking on a new journey is always exciting, but it's essential to be well prepared. This video is your handy guide to traveling smart, covering everything from packing light to staying safe. We'll delve into must-know tips to help you navigate diverse cultures, stay connected with loved ones, and embrace new experiences with an open mind. So, are you ready to get started? Then stick around. Firstly, the importance of research cannot be overstated. Know before you go. It's crucial to familiarize yourself with the culture, customs, and local laws of the place you're venturing to. This knowledge not only helps you avoid misunderstandings, but also allows you to show respect and appreciate the local customs. Now, let's talk about packing. We've all been there, overpacking and lugging around more than we need. Here's a golden rule: pack light. Bring only the essentials. You might be asking, what are these essentials? Well, they vary depending on your destination, but generally, you'll need clothing suitable for the climate, toiletries, important documents, and any necessary medication. A pro tip: roll your clothes instead of folding them. It saves space and prevents wrinkles. And remember, if you forget something or run out of supplies, don't fret. You can always buy what you need at your destination, so pack light and pack smart. Once you're there, how do you stay connected with your loved ones back home? Well, it's simpler than you might think. Options abound, whether that's purchasing a local SIM card or opting for an international data plan. Both are effective ways to keep in touch with your circle, share your adventures, and maintain that comforting link to home. But being connected isn't just about staying in touch. It's also about connecting with the world around you. As you travel, remember to keep an open mind. Embrace the new experiences that come your way, whether that's trying a local dish or joining in a traditional dance. Immerse yourself in the local culture. Listen to their stories, learn their customs, and appreciate their way of life. It might be different, but that's the beauty of it. So, stay connected, be open-minded, and let the world surprise you. Embrace the new, and you'll return home with unforgettable memories and experiences. Last but certainly not least, your safety should always be a top priority. While exploring the unknown can be thrilling, it's essential to stay vigilant. Keep an eye on your surroundings and trust your gut feelings. If something doesn't feel right, it probably isn't. Take the necessary precautions, whether it's about food, transportation, or unfamiliar situations. Remember, a safe journey is a joyful journey. Stay safe and make every trip a memorable one. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more travel tips and inspiration for your next adventure.